Hi, I'm Jamie Adler with Compass Real Estate. I live in the area and have been a realtor for many years and love sharing information about real estate. We're in Montgomery County, which is a suburb of Philadelphia, in the Lower Gwynedd Township area, which is encompassed within Wissahickon School District. For people who want the private school, not the public school, Germantown Academy is the local private school that's very close by. You've got Gwynedd Mercy Academy as well. Lower Gwynedd has always been considered sort of a unique entity within itself. You have a lot of horse farms, regular farms, a lot of rolling hills, estates, great restaurants, shopping without traffic, 25 minutes, 30 minutes from the city, which makes it really easy to live here and commute to the city. It's a great place to raise a family, and even without the family to live here, because you've got access to the city and the trains and transportation, which makes it a little bit more desirable than some other areas throughout the Philadelphia suburbs.